Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 robot mops. These items were selected based on our personal preferences and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Before we begin, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the link in the description for more info. Number 5. Best Budget Mop, iLife ShineBot W400. The iLife ShineBot W400 is our pick as the best budget robot mop. Using the all-new Tidal Power cleaning system, the robot cleans stubborn stains thoroughly while protecting your floors. The 4-stage cleaning system begins with the moisten stage, which dampens the floor with clean water to loosen stains. Next, the scrub stage uses an ultra-fine fiber roller to deeply wash the floor, with gentle scrubs at a high frequency. Then the suction stage uses superior suction to remove dirty water. And finally, the scrape stage wipes off residue, leaving your floor spotless. The robot cleans using only water in its 0.85-liter clean water tank. You'll be pleasantly surprised with the results when you see that the 0.9-liter dirty water tank captured more dirt than you thought was on your floors. It has a habit of retracing its steps and can be overly exuberant when it comes to cleaning some areas, which causes it to add an unnecessary amount of water to that section of the floor. The robot, however, does an excellent job avoiding rugs of all types. Having a whole set of terrain detection sensors, the robot is able to complete cleaning tasks autonomously. Its anti-collision feature uses 9 sets of OBS detectors in the front part of the robot to detect and locate obstacles, while its anti-fall features uses 3 sets of detectors on the base of the robot to prevent falling down steps or from height. Additionally, it has a multifunctional panel that has 3 function buttons and visual signifiers to give you full control and the status of the robot. It also has a remote control that allows you to send commands from long distance. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable option that can get the job done, the iLife ShineBot W400 is sure to please. Number 4. Best Value Mop, iRobot Brava Jet 240. The iRobot Brava Jet 240 is our pick as the robot mop with the best value. The unit uses superior precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning to help tackle dirt and stains. Attach a Brava Jet cleaning pad and the robot will automatically select the correct cleaning mode from wet mopping, damp sweeping, and dry sweeping. You can also add the Brava Jet hard floor cleaning solution for long-lasting fresh scent. The robot uses a spray and mop technique to clean your house, meaning it'll move forward a few inches, back up a bit, spray the area, then move back and forth before proceeding further. This method is great for preventing excess liquid on your floors and does a decent job picking up light dirt. However, while the pad does collect a fair amount of dirt, the robot is just pushing some of the dirt around as it cleans. The shockingly small robot easily navigates hard-to-reach places, including under and around toilets and below cabinets. It uses a maximized edge design to get into corners and along edges and can easily clean under furniture. It also carefully avoids rugs but will still need some supervision, as it can sometimes get caught. Instead of using boundary strips on your floors or customizable maps on your smartphone, you can set up a virtual barrier by pressing and holding the clean button. While the robot is cleaning, it will remember this virtual barrier and won't venture past it. Keep in mind that this feature resets with each cleaning. Additionally, iRobot offers both disposable and washable pad options. The robot uses an easy pad eject button to detach the pads, so you'll never touch grime or grit on the cleaning pads. Overall, if you want the most bang for your buck, look no further than the iRobot Brava Jet 240. Take a moment to like button if you're enjoying the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Vacuum Mop Hybrid, Roborock S7. The Roborock S7 is our pick as the best robot vacuum and mop hybrid. What sets this robot apart is its ability to switch between both vacuuming and mopping on the fly. Using ultrasonic carpet recognition, it's able to recognize carpets with extraordinary accuracy. Let the precise sense LiDAR navigation map your home once to see every carpet on your floor. Then choose to let it lift its mop to vacuum, or draw a no mop zone to keep it away. Equipped with the company's Hyper-Force suction system, the vacuum uses a 2500 Pascal suction power to capture fine dust. Combined with the all-rubber brush using upgraded floating brush technology, the brush tracks the ground tightly to clean better. One of its key highlights is its ability to detect carpet and automatically increase the suction accordingly. This ensures that debris is thoroughly clean. However, the vacuum has a hard time cleaning pet fur as it tends to roll over the fur and push it further into the carpet. When it comes to mopping, the robot uses vibro-rise technology instead of traditional robot mopping. No more dragging around a wet cloth. The mop now scrubs up to 3,000 times per minute and is fed by a 300 ml electronic water tank to clean floors deeply and effectively. When carpet is detected, the intelligent mop lifts automatically, letting you mop hard floors and vacuum carpets in a single clean. While the 5mm that the mop is raised doesn't sound like much, it's enough to avoid the carpet getting wet, although a thicker carpet will feel minimally damp. Additionally, the robot features a 470mm dustbin and a 5,200 mAh lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 3 hours. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable option that can do double duty, the Roborock S7 won't disappoint. Number 2 Best Scrubbing Mop, Samsung JetBot Mop. The Samsung JetBot Mop is our pick as the robot mop with the best scrubbing feature. Featuring dual spin technology, the robot can effectively clean all types of flooring, including tile and hardwood. Its 2 cleaning pads spin at high rates of speed, allowing the unit to move, turn, and clean simultaneously. It also has an automatic water dispenser that has enough capacity to run for up to 50 minutes without needing a refill. The tank dispenses just enough water or a water-based floor cleaning solution to keep the pads thoroughly moisturized while minimizing the amount of drying time. The robot zips around your house using its smart sensor system to avoid walls, carpeting, furniture, or other objects. The system will even stop the unit from dropping off steps or stairs, ensuring risk-free operation. It also has superior edge coverage with its intelligently positioned pads that extend from under the unit, so it can thoroughly clean the edges and hard-to-reach areas of your home. It has long-lasting battery life, up to 100 minutes, and features multiple cleaning modes that you can switch to at any time with its handy remote control. The pads will be visibly dirty after clean, indicating that the robot did its job, and you'll notice that tile floors will look and feel cleaner with no streaks in sight. However, laminate floors will sometimes have visible streaks, which are likely due to the robot's random cleaning pattern. On top of cleaning your floors, the unit can also be converted to hand mode for floor-to-wall cleaning. This lets you manually clean where you want, to remove stains on kitchen and bathroom tiles or wipe off marks on a wall. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile option, the Samsung JetBot Mop won't disappoint. Number 1 Best Overall Mop, iRobot Brava Jet M6. The iRobot Brava Jet M6 tops our list as the best overall robot mop. From quick spills and spots to weekly entire floor mopping, the unit mops like you would, using its precision jet spray to help tackle sticky messes and kitchen grease. It can target specific areas within your room, such as in front of the sofa or under a table, for easy hands-free mopping, with a simple request to your voice assistant or via the iRobot Home app. The robot uses the Brava Jet Advanced Pad system, which intelligently knows which mode to use based on pad type. Plus, the new pad technology developed for the robot uses electrostatic force to sweep and wicking fibers to mop, while also increasing surface contact with the floor. Using cutting-edge V-Slam navigation, the unit maps your home to navigate in neat, efficient rows, leaving clean floors in its wake. It'll learn from your cleaning habits to offer up customized schedules and even suggest extra clean when your area's pollen count is high or during pet shedding season. It also features Smart Charge and Resume that enables the robot to intelligently recharge for the amount of time needed to continue cleaning and get the job done. The robot is a formidable cleaner, enough so that you can extend your monthly manual deep cleans for a few more weeks. Once the cleaning is complete, all you have to do is hit the pad eject button to detach the pads to toss or clean, depending on if you use disposable or washable pads. Additionally, the robot features imprint link technology and can be teamed up with select Roomba robot vacuums to vacuum and then mop automatically in perfect sequence. Overall, if you're looking for the top performing option, the iRobot Brava Jet M6 is the clear winner. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.